Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the fourth installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. In case we haven't met before, my name is Susanne Netz and I blog at sunstampin.com. I'm a Western Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I conduct most of my Stampin' Up! Business online, except for these Lake House events that I facilitate 3 times a year with my friend Terry Hamilton. The card designs in this mini-series are of the 12 make and takes that our attendees participated in. I hope you have fun watching the how-to videos and get inspired to create your own works of art. Of course, all the products used in the demonstrations today are linked below in the description box for easy access to the online store. This card design is all about a color combination. So we're featuring the Biggest Wish stamp set, but we have some amazing colors here. Smoky Slate, Bermuda Bay, Fresh Freesia, and Parakeet Party. So I have a 4 1/4 by 4 inch by 5 1/4 piece of basic white cardstock here, the normal stamping weight paper, and I am inking up the word happy from the Biggest Wish stamp set. I have a chamois, like a cleaning chamois off to this side. I cut my chamois in half so that I can I can give them to a couple of people whilst they are crafting at the lake house. So this is if you like stamping, this is the card for you. I put my paper on angle there and you can see that I am stamping on my grid mat. That is a Stamparatus small grid mat. And I love that for it. It's just perfect for my desk size as well. And it makes my table not get so ooky. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm inking up with one of the inks. There is no rhyme nor reason. If I haven't seen that color, on the page, that's what I'm reaching for. And one of the ladies in the lake house, she omitted the Fresh Freesia. So all it was Parakeet Party and Bermuda Bay and Smoky Slate, and it was beautiful as well. So you don't need to have 4 colors. I chose to because that way I could go for a masculine or feminine card. And what I'm doing with my hand is I'm kind of drying it off after the chamois. So I'm creating a drier stamp so that it could pick up the ink. For the sentiment, Smoky Slate and Bermuda Bay. And that's pretty much the card, you guys. All we have to do is adhere it together. And of course, it probably could use some bling, but I went for simple. That is Bermuda Bay cardstock. And I want to mention, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section, or if you're watching on my blog, it's in the supplies section. So, and those fast links will actually take you to my online store, and you can make a wish list if you want, or you could, purchase with me. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So I'm taking some Wink of Stella here and I'm just smoothing out that Smoky Slate happy. I'm being careful not to touch the Bermuda Bay because that's a dark color and it can bleed. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.